Hi, my wonderful people, my amazing subscribers and viewers. Thank you very much. We do really appreciate you for your love and your time and your support. May God bless you in all you do. And if today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Please support us by subscribing and like and share. Thank you. Thanks for your love and your time. So, today's video I will make one of my favorites and one of my favorite vegetable, yeah, and how I love it. Yes, so I will go to a supermarket to get the things. I will take you guys along, yeah, on my way to the supermarket, on my way back home. So I will take you all along, and maybe I will take a public bus or train. Yeah, so let's go. And today's weather is so beautiful. Then, like, do what you love, do what you like. Yeah, it's a free word. So let's go to the supermarket and get the things. Back home, the weather is really hot. Now, my people, this is what we go to supermarket to buy. We have some carrots here, broccoli. I love broccoli so much, and the onions, some chicken here. Inside here, I have some crushing, some ginger and garlic here. I blend it together already. Um, Now, my people, our broccoli is ready. So yummy, very nice. Yeah, you can eat it with rice, but I won't eat my like this. Yes. See you all in our next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.